All right, guys, 2013 335i BMW. This is what it sounds like before factory. Go ahead. Ooh, you can hear that blow-off valve. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 88. So it was 87 earlier. Yeah, 87. One more. So we're gonna do a muffler, resonator delete. We'll let you guys hear it after. 2013 BMW 335i. Turbo. What we got done on you like that? Turbo. Turbo. All right, got converter up here. Flex pipe, 3.5 inch folded down pipe out to where a resonator is supposed to be. We deleted that. We'll let you guys see it in a second. 3-inch pipe, resonator delete. Continue the 3-inch pipe. Then we did 2.5 inch out the back, dual. And these come with a valve that we zip tie away. You guys see it right there. Usually comes on this side. So we zip tied it there. And then we did a custom white pipe on it, as you guys can see, and duals out the back. Look at that. Came out really nice, real clean. Custom tips. There'll be a link in the description for them also. There and there. There's the factory resonator that was on it. We took off. Factory muffler. We took off, and the valve comes on one side, right there, that we took it off and zip tied it away. So the computer thinks that the valve is still working like it's supposed to. But that's how the duals come on this BMW. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. You can hear the whistle. That's nice. Better. Again. Your sound decibels. Again. Right at 102. Go ahead and back it out. There's that pop. Tell him to put it in, show him how to put it in sport mode. Let's see if it changes any. So you have to go to the right. There it is. Wow. Sport mode. Let you guys hear it then. .335i BMW straight pipe. Is that idle?